when ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Yes, roots of the equation. We denote alpha by alpha, sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is coefficient of x, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. And product of the root alpha beta is c by a. C is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. X square. Now we move to questions. Question number 1. If possible, a rectangular part has perimeter is 80 millimeter and area is 400 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Rectangle, okay. Then let the length of the rectangle, let the length be x and the breadth be y. So, what is perimeter? Perimeter is twice length plus breadth is equal to the perimeter. That is 2 into x plus y is equal to 80. From this, I can cancel. This is x plus y is 40 and y is equal to 40 minus x. Then area will be xy. Then area will be xy. That is equal to x into 40 minus x. That is equal to 400. Now I multiply 40x minus x square is equal to 400. So I shift these terms to that side and I have x square minus 40x plus of 400 is equal to 0. So I can break this into the middle terms. Middle term is 20 is 400. So x square minus 20x minus 20x plus of 400 is equal to 0. Then I break into the factors. X I take common from both and I get x minus 20 and minus 20 I take common from both. Then I get x minus 20. I take x minus 20 common, then I was remained with x minus 20 is equal to 0. Or directly we can say x minus 20 whole square is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 and y is equal to x is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20. So, which shows the plot is a square of sides 20 meter and 20 meter. But square is a rectangle. But square is also a rectangle. It is so the dimensions are 20 meter and 20 meter. Now, question number 2 is the product of the two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. We take let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. So, according to the problem, it is x into x plus 1 is 306. So therefore x square plus of x minus 306 is equal to 0. When I split into middle term, 17 into 18 will be the product of 17 and 18 will be 306. So I can write x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. From these two I take x common and middle term split it is. That is minus 17 if I take common. That is x plus 18 is equal to 0. Two factors are x minus 17 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. So product of two factors are 0. That means each will be 0 or one of them will be 0 or. So here x is equal to 17 or x is equal to minus 18. But according to the problem, I was given that I have to find out the positive integers. So I reject minus 18 as we have to find the positive integers. X is equal to, therefore x is equal to 17 and x plus 1 is equal to 18. Therefore positive integers are 17 and 18. Now question number 4. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So we can write solution, we can write let one number be x, the other number will be what? 27 minus x, because sum of these two will be 27. According to the problem, product of these two numbers is 182. That is x into 27 minus x is 182. So it is 27x minus x square is equal to 182. So it is x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. When I split the middle term, that is 13 into 14 is 182. 13 into 14 is 182. So my middle term splitting is 14 and 13. It implies x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. I take common from these two x. So we get x minus 14. And from here it is minus 13. It will be x minus 14 is equal to 0. So when I factorize, I get x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 14 or 13. So the numbers are 14, 13 or 13, 14. Yeah. So these are the two pairs. If you want, you can write 13 or 14. Okay. Question number 3. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. They have equal roots. Now we know solution. We know equal roots means discriminant 0. Discriminant 0 means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is, here b is k, that is k square, and a is 2 and c is 3. It is 24. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24, and when I remove the square, it becomes plus minus root over 24, that is plus minus root over 2 root 6. Okay, this is 2 root 6. So for k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6, equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 has two equal roots.